It's me, Brooke, on Sky 2 Minute, and I'm here. Not you again. Why are you here?
I came to say I need food.
Fine, I'll go inside to get some crackers.
Yum, 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 yum. Oh, I'm so excited.
Alright, you stay right here, okay, Birdie?
So, Bird, what's your problem?
I don't have a problem. Or my problem is I don't have food.
Well, don't worry. Brooke will get you food, and you'll be okay. And then can you just run along and get out of here, please?
Now, where's my food?
I want that. Oh my gosh, I'm hungry.
Yeah. Thank you. I'll be running now. Woohoo! That was awesome. Thank you. You're the best.
I
Really,
hope you
Bird?
leave me alone now.
Okay.
Okay. See you guys later. Bye.